In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Roblox account to Discord. We're going to connect your accounts using Discord's built-in connections feature. This link makes it easy to show your Roblox profile on your Discord profile and helps certain servers verify your identity for roles and features. Before you begin, make sure you can sign in to both Discord and Roblox and have any two-factor codes ready if you use them. Start by opening Discord. You can use the desktop app or a web browser. The process is the same. Confirm you're signed into the Discord account you want to link. At the bottom left of the Discord window, look for the small gear icon next to your avatar. That's your user settings. Click it to open the settings panel. In the settings sidebar, find the section called Connections. This is where Discord lists services you can integrate. Click Connections to open it. At the top of the Connections page, choose View More to see the full catalog of services available. This reveals additional options that aren't shown by default. From the list, select Roblox. Discord will open a new window or tab to start a secure connection flow with Roblox. If a pop-up is blocked, allow it so you can continue. You'll be taken to a Roblox sign-in screen, or if you're already signed into Roblox in your browser, straight to an authorization page. Click Login if prompted and enter your Roblox credentials securely, then review the permissions that Discord is requesting. These typically allow Discord to confirm your Roblox identity and display your profile information on your Discord account. When you're comfortable, approve the connection. After authorization, you'll be returned to Discord and should see Roblox listed under your connected accounts. That's your confirmation that the link worked. Depending on your server settings and the communities you join, your Roblox profile may now be visible on your Discord profile, and some servers can use it to confirm who you are. If anything doesn't load as expected, a few quick checks can help. Ensure you're in the correct Discord account before starting. Verify you're logging into the intended Roblox account in the authorization window. Temporarily allow the pop-up if your browser blocks it, and make sure your Discord app is up to date. That's it. You've successfully linked Roblox to Discord, making verification and profile sharing smoother across your communities. Thanks for watching and enjoy the seamless connection between your accounts.